Welcome to a cozy holiday season with the 22 cm star-shaped Tealight votive candle holder crafted from rustic wooden twigs. This beautifully designed piece measures 22 by 22 cm with a 6 cm height and features a clear glass jar perfect for your favorite Tealight candle. Adorned with vibrant red baubles, berries, bronze stars, green foliage, and pine cones, it brings a warm, festive glow to any space. The removable glass jar makes cleaning simple and allows versatile use beyond the wooden base. Ideal for side tables, mantelpieces, or window sills, it enhances your Christmas and winter celebrations with a charming rustic feel. Pair it with scented candles to create a magical ambiance for weddings, parties, or cozy nights at home. Brighten your holiday decor with this elegant star candle holder designed to fill your space with festive cheer. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.